SIR exercise asi Mapung Fana Pangthoknaba Hotnabada political party Csos Amadi Meeyamna Mateng Pangbiyu haina Manipur ki chief electoral officer Arun Kumar Sinha na appeal tawkre ngasi lamfel pata leiba CEO gi office ta hayengdagi haugadoriba special intensive revision SIR gi matang da pangthokpa pawgi mifam amada CEO Arun Kumar Sinha na haikibada Election Commission of India gi order matung ina state asida chathagadoriba SIR asi chahi asigi July gi tang amada qualifying date oiduna pangthokani exercise asida eligible oiba mipum khudingmak amata chithadana electoral roll da yawhannanaba amadi eligible oidaba sing electoral roll dagi lawthokani SIR Pangthoknabagi damak mathau taba thabak thoram sing sem saba loire district tara ke district election officer sing electoral registration officer humpu assistant electoral registration officer marfu mathoi ama sung booth level officer listing aniga chama panyankai taruki training pangthokre loina na political party singna khanba booth level agent singi orientation workshop su mari leina ba ERO singna pangthokpa leikre state asigi apunba voter lakh kun lising Marfutara humdoiga humfutara taruki enumeration form namduna assembly constituency humpugi ERO singda khusinakre form singasi BLO singna hayengdagi yum da chatuna yenthokani elector singna form mention ba loiraba matungda BLO singna amuk lokhat balakani amaromda enumeration form asi online gi khuthangda voters.eci.gov.in da changlaga download amasung submission tawbusu yagani haina Arun Kumar Sinha na makhatana fongdoke.
The Election Commission of India has ordered a special intensive revision of electoral rolls with reference to 1/7/2026 as qualifying date in the state of Manipur in order to ensure that no eligible citizen is left out and no ineligible person is included. In compliance with the Commission's direction, all necessary arrangements for the conduct of special intensive revision have been completed. Meeting of political parties at the state, district and AC level have been conducted. Training of 16 district election officers, 60 EROs and 81 AEROs and 2956 booth level officers have been completed. Orientation workshop for the booth level agents appointed by recognized political parties have also been conducted by the EROs concerned.